Cart Fulfillment is a nationwide 3PL that provides unparalleled visibility and ultimate control of your fulfillment operations. For more than 20 years, we've provided pick, pack, and ship services for a variety of D2C, wholesale, and B2B brands. Our multi-node network of strategically placed fulfillment centers helps you achieve 1 to 2 day shipping across 95% of the U.S. You can even leverage our proprietary WMS and OMS to integrate data across all of your sales channels. This provides you with real-time visibility to track orders and inventory from the moment an order is placed, all the way through delivery, from one centralized location. Elevate your insights with advanced analytics to receive up-to-date fulfillment metrics, understand sales distribution and inventory trends, and save on postage costs. Plus, our demand forecasting and optimization models help you identify the future demand for your products to unlock new opportunities that drive stronger profits. This allows you to maintain proper inventory levels for popular items without slow-moving stock draining your storage costs. Cart's combination of data and experience allows us to provide an unparalleled level of support. Our customer success team partners with you to define a clear implementation and onboarding plan. And once you're all set up, we provide ongoing strategic and capacity planning, as well as process and performance optimization. While fulfillment is what we do, e-commerce experts is who we are. Cart.com offers a full suite of software and services to help you attract more customers, convert them into buyers, and fulfill with speed and reliability, all with ongoing customer loyalty. So let Cart Fulfillment do the heavy lifting for you. We've got the technology and infrastructure to help you compete with the world's biggest brands. Learn more today.